Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play online franchise in MLB The Show with friends. First, navigate to the main menu and select the franchise option. From there, you'll want to choose Online Franchise to begin your journey with friends. You can either create a brand new league, customizing all the rules and settings to your liking, or join an existing league that a friend has already set up. This initial step is crucial for establishing your shared baseball universe. Once your online franchise is established, it's time to bring your friends into the game. You'll invite them directly using their respective online ID. After they accept, each friend will then choose their favorite Major League Baseball team to manage. It's important to confirm that everyone has accepted their invitation and selected their team before you move forward. This ensures a smooth start to your competitive or cooperative season. With your team selected, the real fun begins, managing your franchise. You'll have full control over your team, allowing you to make strategic trades, sign free agents, and develop your players. Don't forget to set your daily lineups and pitching rotations to maximize your team's potential. You can play head-to-head games against your friends or simulate matches against the computer, all while progressing through the season towards the ultimate goal of a championship. To make your online franchise experience even better, remember a few key tips. Regular communication with your league members is vital for scheduling games and discussing trades. Utilize the in-game messaging system to keep everyone informed. Don't hesitate to explore the custom settings to tailor the league rules to your group's preferences. Ultimately, the goal is to enjoy the competitive spirit and social interaction that online franchise offers with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.